And welcome back. It is time now for Make Ahead Monday, and this week we are going meatless. Here to show us some delicious recipes using cauliflower is vegan chef Priyanka Naik. Over to you, Priyanka.
We're going to make a turmeric fennel seed whole roasted cauliflower, and this is what's going to be the basis for all three of our dishes. I have a cauliflower marinated here already, and we have our marinade here prepped. This is a turmeric fennel seed marinade. So in here we have onion, turmeric powder, ginger, garlic, Indian green chilies, which look like this. You can use jalapeno or serrano or just chili powder. We have some fresh lemon juice, neutral oil, salt and pepper, and we just whiz it up. And the secret ingredient in that marinade are these fennel seeds. This is what makes it really fragrant and earthy and has a slight licorice flavor. I love fennel seeds and I think they're really underutilized. So the key to marinating this is to flip it over and to pour the marinade into the nooks and crannies. That's why it seeps in and it becomes juicy and delicious. So marinate the whole thing, slather it up, wrap it up in plastic wrap, and then place it in the fridge overnight. That's where all the cauliflower can be seeped in with all of that flavor. The next day you want to bake it in a baking sheet with some parchment paper. I put some water in it to help steam the inside of the cauliflower. Bake it at 350 degrees for an hour and 15 minutes, then broil for 5 minutes at the end, and that's how we get this beautiful char on the top that you see. So once you remove that, our first dish is a cauliflower steak. This is on top of a Basmati rice pulao or pilaf. I've made it with cashew nuts and cumin seeds and a little bit of clove. You can use couscous, you can use pasta, you can use whatever you'd like, and I've garnished it with fresh coriander and dates. Now our next dish is going to be a pita pocket with the cauliflower. So first let's prep our dressing. Here I have some tahini blended with water until it's super smooth. Let's add in some green chilies. Again, you can use any chili of choice. Some fresh scallions. And we want to squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice. We want that freshness in there and brightness. Let's put in a little bit of salt and then some freshly ground black pepper. Beautiful. This looks so good already. See that? I love the flavor of scallion with tahini. It's so surprising and so delicious. So next what we want to do is we want to take our pita here, and we have one that's been charred a little bit over the flame. We want to add like your favorite salads to this. Mine is butter lettuce because it is the best. And we want to add some fresh tomato. I love fresh tomato. It adds such nice juicy freshness. Some English cucumber with the peel on, that's where all the nutrients are. And then we take our beautiful star of the show and put in our cauliflower florets. How gorgeous does that look? Look at that. Get that all on that pita there. Just trim this lettuce down a little bit. And then we want to take our beautiful dressing and drizzle that right on. Oh, yes.
Wow.
Oh,
It is
We're over
Mama.
here leaning in, talking about
that's so
food.
good.
I need to make a grocery list and make sure I have all of those ingredients in my house.
Yeah.
It's not spices I usually have.
It's a different
in the
flavor
cabinet.
profile,
Yeah.
but that's why it's so good. It's something
No.
different. Yeah.
Totally
All right.
different. All right, for those recipes, head to today.com/food. And be sure to check out our Instagram page at Third Hour Today to see Priyanka use those cauliflower florets in a cauliflower Manchurian dish. I don't even know what that is, but I think I like it. We'll be right back.